Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some jaw-dropping facts about snakes that might surprise you. These creatures, often misunderstood, sometimes feared, are among nature's most remarkable and highly specialized animals. They glide through diverse habitats, from the driest deserts to the lushest rainforests, and even the depths of our oceans. Their silent, legless locomotion, their unblinking gaze, and their often potent venom have woven them into the fabric of human mythology and fascination for millennia. But beyond the myths and the apprehension, there lies a world of extraordinary biology and behavior, a world of intricate adaptations that allow them to thrive in ways few other vertebrates can. Join me on a journey to uncover some of the most astonishing truths about these enigmatic reptiles. Snakes in their myriad forms are exclusively carnivorous, a dietary restriction that has driven an astonishing array of predatory adaptations. From the smallest worm-like blind snakes consuming ant larvae and termite eggs, to the colossal anacondas capable of overpowering substantial mammals, the spectrum of their diet is as diverse as the snakes themselves. Many smaller species subsist on insects, slugs, and earthworms, playing a crucial role in controlling these invertebrate populations. Others are specialists, like the egg-eating snakes of Africa, Dasypeltis, which have evolved an incredible ability to swallow bird eggs whole, far larger than their own heads, and then crush them internally, regurgitating the shell. Fish, frogs, lizards, and rodents form the staple diet for a vast number of snake species across the globe, each hunted with patience and precision. Then there are those snakes that prey upon other snakes, a behavior known as ophiophagy. The formidable king cobra, for instance, is a renowned snake eater, its own impressive size and potent venom making it a deadly adversary even for other venomous species. The size of the prey a snake can consume is naturally relative to its own dimensions. A young garter snake might content itself with a small frog or a fish, while a fully grown rat snake will tackle adult rats and squirrels. Consider the giants of the snake world, the pythons of Asia and Africa, and the anacondas of South America. These constrictors are capable of subduing and consuming truly enormous prey. The digestive capabilities of snakes are also quite remarkable, ensuring that the maximum nutritional value is extracted from each hard-won meal. One of the most iconic and often misunderstood features of a snake is its ability to swallow prey far exceeding the apparent size of its own head. This is not achieved, as common belief might suggest, by unhinging their jaws. Snakes possess a highly specialized skull structure, with several key adaptations that grant their jaws extraordinary flexibility and reach. The lower jaw, or mandible, is composed of two separate halves, connected at the chin by an elastic ligament. This ligament can stretch considerably, allowing the two halves of the lower jaw to spread apart sideways. Furthermore, the points where the lower jaws connect to the skull are also uniquely adapted. A snake's lower jaw connects to a mobile bone called the quadrate bone, allowing the entire jaw assembly to drop down and move forward independently on each side. Inside the mouth, rows of sharp, backward curving teeth line not only the upper and lower jaws but often the palate bones as well. These teeth are not designed for chewing. Snakes swallow their food whole, but rather for gripping. During the swallowing process, the snake can walk its jaws over the prey. The skin and soft tissues around the snake's mouth and throat are also incredibly elastic, capable of stretching to an astonishing degree without tearing. This unique jaw mechanism is a key reason for their evolutionary success across so many diverse environments. Snakes inhabit a sensory world that is profoundly different from our own, dominated by the rich tapestry of chemical information that permeates their environment. Their primary tool for navigating this olfactory landscape is their remarkable forked tongue, an organ that functions in a way that is both elegant and highly effective. When a snake flicks its tongue, it is collecting minute airborne particles and transferring them to a specialized sensory structure located in the roof of its mouth called the Jacobson's organ. This organ is lined with chemosensory cells that can detect and identify a vast array of chemical compounds. The forked nature of the tongue provides a directional sense of smell. By comparing the intensity of the scent signals received from each fork, the snake can determine the direction from which a particular smell is emanating. This stereo sense of smell is incredibly useful for a variety of tasks. It allows a snake to track the scent trail left by potential prey with remarkable accuracy. While olfaction is paramount, other senses also play their part. The integration of these senses creates a unique perceptual world for the snake. In the arsenal of predatory adaptations, few are as potent or as widely respected and feared as snake venom. This complex cocktail of proteins and enzymes is not simply a poison, it is a highly evolved biological weapon. While not all snakes are venomous, those that possess a sophisticated delivery system, fangs, which act like nature's own hypodermic needles. The toxicity of snake venom varies enormously across different species. Some venoms are relatively mild, causing little more than localized pain and swelling. Others, however, are extraordinarily potent. Snake venoms are broadly categorized based on their primary mode of action. Neurotoxins attack the nervous system, leading to paralysis and respiratory failure. Hemotoxins target the blood and tissues, causing disruption of blood clotting, destruction of red blood cells, and severe tissue damage. The fangs themselves are marvels of natural engineering. In most venomous snakes, the fangs are hollow, allowing venom produced in glands located behind the eyes to be channeled directly into the puncture wound. The evolution of venom and sophisticated fang systems represents a significant predatory advantage. Beyond their remarkable jaws and sensory systems, snakes exhibit a plethora of other fascinating adaptations that allow them to thrive in an astonishing variety of ecological niches. One of the most intriguing adaptations is found in certain groups of snakes, notably boas, pythons, and pit vipers. These snakes possess heat-sensing pits, specialized organs that can detect minute changes in infrared radiation. This is an invaluable tool for locating warm-blooded prey, especially in low-light conditions. Water intake in snakes is another area where they differ significantly from mammals. Snakes do not lap water with their tongues. Instead, they typically submerge their snouts into a water source and use a pumping action of their throat muscles to draw water into their esophagus. Aquatic snakes, such as anacondas and various sea snakes, have adaptations suited to life in water. Camouflage and mimicry are also widespread and highly developed adaptations among snakes. Many species have skin patterns and coloration that allow them to blend seamlessly with their environment. Defensive behaviors are equally diverse and fascinating. The ability of some snakes to shed their skin, a process called ecdysis, is also a vital adaptation. The reproductive strategies of snakes are as diverse and fascinating as their other biological traits. Most snakes reproduce sexually, with males typically locating females by following their pheromone trails. Courtship rituals can vary, sometimes involving males rubbing against the female or engaging in combat dances with rival males. Fertilization is internal, with males possessing a pair of copulatory organs called hemipenes. Once fertilization has occurred, snakes exhibit two primary modes of bringing forth their young: oviparity, egg-laying, and viviparity, live birth. The majority of snake species are oviparous, laying clutches of leathery shelled eggs in sheltered locations. Viviparity, or live birth, has evolved independently in many snake lineages. In these snakes, the embryos develop inside the mother's body and are born as fully formed miniature versions of the adults. Parthenogenesis, or virgin birth, is another astonishing reproductive strategy. The number of offspring a snake produces can be heavily influenced by various factors, including its species, size, age, health, and diet. Parental care is generally minimal to non-existent in most snake species. The life of a young snake is fraught with peril from the moment it hatches or is born. While often perceived as slow and deliberate creatures, snakes possess a surprising repertoire of movement, capable of bursts of incredible speed and displays of remarkable agility. When we speak of speed in the serpentine world, one species often comes to the forefront for its lightning-fast strike: the death adder. Found in Australia and New Guinea, these ambush predators rely on camouflage and a unique caudal lure. When a curious animal approaches, the death adder strikes with astonishing velocity. This incredible speed is a product of specialized musculature and precise neuromuscular control. Beyond the strike, snakes employ several distinct methods of locomotion to move through their environment. The most common is lateral undulation, where the snake pushes off irregularities in the ground by creating S-shaped curves. In environments with loose or shifting surfaces, some snakes have evolved a unique form of movement called sidewinding. For climbing or navigating narrow spaces, snakes may use concertina locomotion. Larger, heavier-bodied snakes like pythons and boas often employ rectilinear locomotion. The agility of snakes is not limited to terrestrial movement. The diverse modes of snake locomotion are a beautiful example of form-meeting function. Our journey through the world of snakes has revealed just a fraction of their extraordinary adaptations and the jaw-dropping facts that define their existence. From their diverse diets and unique jaw mechanics, to their sophisticated senses, potent venoms, and remarkable methods of reproduction and movement, these creatures are a testament to the sheer ingenuity and diversity of life on Earth. They are far more than the slithering predators of popular imagination. They are intricate biological marvels, each species a unique solution to the challenges of survival. I hope this exploration has not only surprised you but also fostered a deeper appreciation for these often misunderstood animals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these amazing facts about snakes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.